Hello, this is Bruce Whitfield. This is ECN 423 Section 1, Homework 8, Problem 14.9.1. This is the waveform for the test bench. The clock, reset, car detecting east-west, current state, next state, and the 6-bit traffic light output. At the first rising edge right here, when clock is enabled, reset is 0, and no car is being detected in east and west. The current state is state 0, the next state is state 0, and the output is 21, which is 100001, which means it is green north-south. And at the next rising edge, the next rising edge right here, there is a car detected in the east and west. Reset is not enabled. Clock is 1. The current state is state 0, and the next state is state 1, and the output is still 21, which means green north-south. At the next rising edge, it is in current state is state 1, and the car in east-west is still being detected. Reset isn't enabled. Clock is enabled. The next state is state 2, and the output is 11, which is 010001, which means it's in state 1, which is yellow north-south. At the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset is disabled, the car is still being detected in the east and west, current state is state 2, and the next state is state 2, because when it's in state 2, which is green east-west, if a car is still being detected in the east-west direction, it will remain in that state with the east-west light green. And the output is 0C, which is 001100. And at the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset is disabled, the car is not being detected in the east and west, the current state is state 2, and the next state is state 3, with the output still being 0C. And currently the light is still green east-west. And then at the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset disabled, car isn't being detected in the east and west, the current state is state 3, and the next state is state 0 with an output of 0A, which is 001010, which means the east-west light is yellow. And at the next rising edge, right here, clock is enabled, reset is disabled, there is no car being detected in the east and west, it is in state 0, and the next state is state 0 with an output of 21, which is 100001, which means it's in state 0 with the north-south light green. And at the next rising edge, down here, clock is enabled, reset disabled, car is detected in the east and west, it's in state 0, next state is state 1, the output is 21. It means that it is green north-south still. And at the next rising edge, clock is enabled, reset is enabled, car in east-west detected, it's in state 1, the next state is state 0, and the output is 21, which means it's green north-south. And at the next state, no car is detected in east and west, and reset is still enabled, and it is staying in state 0. And that is all for the waveform. Thank you.